You can work out the amount of protons, neutrons, and electrons in an element by looking at the periodic table. Here I am drawing how you would find hydrogen on the periodic table. Here is the atomic mass. So the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and here is the proton number. Now the proton number tells you how many protons and electrons there are in the atom. So in hydrogen, there is 1. To work out neutrons, you do the mass number, which is here, take away the proton number, which we said was here. So it's 1 minus 1 is 0. So therefore, hydrogen has 1 proton, 1 electron, and 0 neutrons. Isotopes are elements that contain a different amount of neutrons, but the same amount of protons. I'm going to draw 2 isotopes of carbon here. Carbon-12 and carbon-14. Carbon-14 is an isotope of carbon. It contains the same amount of protons, 6, but a different amount of neutrons, 8. Remember, we worked this out by doing mass take away proton number. All elements have isotopes, but most of them are not stable, so go through radioactive decay. Radioactive decay is the spitting out of ionizing radiation from the nucleus of the atom. We need to learn about alpha, beta, and gamma. Ionizing radiation is radiation that knocks off electrons off of atoms. Ionizing power is how easily it does this. Alpha particles are helium nuclei. They contain 2 neutrons and 2 protons. We need to learn that they are strongly ionizing. They easily lock off electrons off of atoms. They only travel a few centimeters in air and are stopped quickly, and they are absorbed by a sheet of paper. Beta radiation is an electron. They are moderately ionizing, less so than alpha. They have a range of a few meters in air, and they are moderately penetrative. They get absorbed by a sheet of aluminium, about 5 millimeters thick. Gamma rays are electromagnetic waves. They are weakly ionizing. They can travel a long distance through air, and they are absorbed by a thick sheet of lead. Here is a summary of that. Alpha, beta, and gamma. So beta is moderately ionizing, whereas alpha is strongly ionizing and gamma is weakly ionizing. Alpha is a short range in air, beta is a moderate range in air, and gamma is a long range in air. Alpha is absorbed by paper, beta by an aluminium sheet, and gamma by a thick lead. You have now learned about isotopes and different types of radiation. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Why are we the best revision website out there? Well, because we have it all in one place. Revision notes, summary videos, longer, more detailed videos for topics you're struggling on. Exam question walkthrough videos where qualified teachers take you through the perfect answers to exam questions. Worksheets, quizzes, computer-marked exam questions, interactive flashcards, forums, the ability to keep track on where you are using our tick list, and so much more. But that's not all. We run at least 3 live lessons a week, and closer to exam time, this will be more, where you can tune into a qualified teacher teaching lots of different topics each week. The lessons will be interactive, and we go through exam questions and quick quizzes to ensure understanding as you go. We also run drop-in sessions where you can drop in, ask a tutor anything live, get the answer that you need, and leave. These are included in our silver and gold membership. This means that for an extra £10 a month, you can access at least 12 hours of lessons a month. That's under £1 an hour, which is incredibly cheap. Still not convinced? Try us completely free for 7 days and cancel anytime, completely free of charge. We offer this because we're convinced that you'll love us. So try us now.